All right. Hey! Happy Friday. That was weird. Stream just turned off. Okay. Well, it's back. That's good. Everything's still, yeah, alright. Cool. Alright. Well, let's get down to business. I don't remember what I was doing. Oh yeah, dragging logic. We need to get the directions working. Obviously there is some logic that is out of fucking control. So up is left. Right is up. And left is left. Alright. Well, in that case, we need to figure this out. What the hell? I just lost my keyboard and my mic. There we go. Okay. We are good. And now we have sick beats. All right, good. Programming, beats, piano. Everything you need for a Friday. Alright, so the main issue that seems to be happening is it doesn't know what the fuck direction to use. So it seems like this is wrong. Meaning my logic's wrong, but my logic's correct. I don't know why. It's not working, even though my logic's correct. Item is higher. Obviously, this logic is incorrect. It is not finding it correctly. But I don't want to change anything, because it's also making my drag logic work perfectly. So we might need to tweak this bitch. Just a little bit at least. Drag direction starts as nothing. So I think what we need to do is figure out, is item higher? We need to make sure that's working. And right now, basically what it's doing is taking the top position and the map character top position and determining if the item is higher than the character. So if the item is higher than me, that doesn't mean that it's obviously above me. It just means that it's taller than me. So that should be correct though. Because my left position plus 450 should pretty much be in the middle of me. So I think if this is correct, which I'm going to assume is correct, then we need to make sure that top offset is correct. Because I know that the offset height of the item is correct. But is the top offset correct? Now technically with this logic it seems correct. I guess I didn't need to do this. I could just do item is higher. So that'll do that. And then vice versa, we can do the same thing here. Item is left. There we go. No need to check the same logic twice. So So if item is higher, which just means it's taller, it's, you know, its top position's above me, then subtract my left position. Wait, that's backwards. If the item is higher than me, that means that its number is less. Oh, that's why. Yeah, its number is less than mine. So if it's at 200 and I'm at 300, then I need my top position, minus its top position, which would be 100. Otherwise, vice versa. So then top offset would be 100. So I'm going off of the item's height. And so if the top offset is greater than or equal to the height, then we know that it's above me. I mean, let's just check out what these fucking numbers are. That'll help. So let's do top offset, and then let's do the offset height. And then we'll try to simulate an up grab. Let's see if those numbers work. Then we'll know. And then we will be able to figure that out. Friday. Okay. So now if we go under it, and we try to drag it, it's giving us left. So then, wait, what are the two numbers? They're top offset and then the height of the object. So the top offset is 482, which is larger than the height, meaning it's up. Okay, good. So I think that we, oh wait, are those both integers? They are, okay. So I think then the problem is that it's getting overwritten by left. So, which it shouldn't, technically, because is item left? It must be saying that's left. So that would be that the drag left position in my left position. It means that it is, the items is less than mine. Which is it right now? Yes, technically the left position is less than mine, because I think it's my center point. It's kind of harder with these skinny items, but it should still work. So yes, this is true. Now what is left offset? Because left offset shouldn't be bigger than the width, obviously. But it might be, because of the way I have 450. So I think I need to reduce this, because I'm using this specifically, this 450. I'm using that for this number here, which helps me drag for some reason. Because when I changed it, it broke it. So I don't want to break it again. All right. Sorry. We need to Is my voice extra low tonight? What's going on? Hello. The bass is extra bassy tonight. Fantastic. I wish my voice was always this low. Okay. Let's see. We need to see what this offset is, because I'm guessing it's wrong. Oh yeah, based off of the 450. So I need to change this 450. Let's get the number first, and then I'll change it. I'll reduce it so that it's more accurate, because I just don't think it's accurate right now. Because my width, based off of the offset, is... Wait. I'm doing the wrong one. Hey, John Payne. Was that pre-recorded, or did you just jam out on the keyboard? Hey, John. No, that's not pre-recorded. So you can also hit bad notes. Nah. Just songs that I play randomly at most times. Yeah, no, I appreciate it. It's a lot of downtime when you're programming. Waiting for code to push, or you're thinking of something. So I like to randomly jam out on my 88 key Yamaha over here, or on my sweet Beats pad. Now that one's gonna distract me, actually. I gotta be careful. Top offset, yes. Oh, no, I'm doing left offset. No. Top offset? Left offset. Yeah, because I'm trying to figure out why it's going left on me. It shouldn't be left. It should be up in the current position that I'm in right now. I'm basically trying to add some dragging items animations, but I need to make sure that I can detect where the item is on my body while I'm dragging it. So, like, right now, it's above me, but it's telling me that it's left. So, I can't give it the proper animation image while I'm walking. It's like I'm bouncing it. So let's see what it's telling me when I go under it. 84, 79. So what are the numbers I was trying to get? So left offset is 84. So it's telling me that it's 84 pixels away from my left position, the item on top. And my width is only 79, so that's obviously incorrect. So I think what's happening is this extra 50 pixels right here that I need for the drag buffer. I gotta remove that, and then we should be good. Let's actually just do that. Where's that coming from? That was your third guess. Good. That's what I thought. So then let's do this. Let's just fucking minus 50. Wait, no, I can't do that. I can't do that. I can't do that. Because that's going to screw everything up. I need a second item is higher. No, let's just not use it. Let's not use it. Let's just do this. Let's use our own. How about that? Item is higher. We'll do this. Instead, we'll make our own. Actually, it might be easier to just add 50 on later, right? So let's just do this instead. We'll make it 400 on both, so it gives the accurate item is higher or not. And then here we'll add the extra 50. I actually don't need that. There we go. There. Now we should get an accurate... That didn't help me at all. I'm stupid. Ignore me. I'm just typing for no fucking reason. Why not, though, eh? It's Friday. Let's type for no reason. Okay, let's do it down here. There we go. Caps lock. Perfect. Alright. So we'll do that. And then we'll do... False would be the opposite. Wait. What? Item is higher equals false. So it's the same thing. Right? No. False equals true. Okay, so it needs to be opposite. Alright. And then we'll do the same thing for dish. Alright. Okay. So that'll help that, but that'll also help the offset. I'm gonna have to subtract it from the offset too. You know what? This is kind of annoying. Let's just make a second set that has accurate numbers. How about that? We'll do this. Item is actually higher. I'm sure I'll remember all this too. Item is actually left. This is going to make so much sense to me in the future. Top actual offset. Don't worry about it. I'll remember this. Or I'll just watch this video and I'll remember it later. And then we actually need, we need the map character actual top. I'm going to hate myself in like 2 weeks when I have to go back to this logic. Actual. And it's only for 50 fucking pixels. You know what? I'm not going to do that then. Let me just do the pixel change here. Cool. At least it's gonna work, is what I'm telling myself. Oh my fuck, I can't type right now. Come on, buddy. You got this. What am I typing? My fingers are dead. I need to use my flex keys. Come on. Come on, man. You got this. By the way, flex keys. Very useful for warming up your fingers. If you're a programmer, piano player, trumpet player, rock climber, flex keys. Pretty cool. Nice and light. Fidget toy slash agility builder. Highly suggest it. You can get it at flexkeys.shop. Alright. So now let's... I mean, that's it, right? Yeah. Yeah. That should be it. So now let's use... Item is actually higher. Actual. Actually. Spell correctly, my brah. Wait, what? Oh, Actually. Actually. Alright. Good, good, good. And I guess I do not need to keep typing that word out. If you've ever heard of copy and paste, can be quite useful. Alright, here we go. Actually. Actually. Okay. Oh, shit. Okay, I meant to say. Alright, so now we should have the actual fucking position correctly. So it doesn't have that extra 50 pixel buffer of bullshit. Show me up. Show me up. We did it. Okay, so now it's giving me the correct direction on up. Let's see if it gives me right. Actually. No, it gives me undefined. Perfect. So what is that? 8? 8 is what? Why isn't it like the right position? That's so weird. Because if it's left, it's not left. So it's on my right. So that's false. And the offset of my left is... Or if the offset is greater than or equal to my width, then it's on the right. So it's a big fucking deal. What it is giving me is 8 on the offset. Oh, that's not the actual offset. Hold on. That's probably why. Let's see what it's actually giving me. Actually. Okay. Let's see what it's actually giving me. Okay. Go. Okay, 42 is the offset. 79 is the width. No, see, that seems wrong. So if the item to drag is 79 pixels and the left offset is 49, then yeah, it's wrong. But I'm guessing this is false. So this... So everything, it's probably undefined, yeah. Alright, well, why is the offset wrong? Is my guess. Because the offset is... Oh, since it's false, then it's using this. So item to drag left minus my left position. Because it's on my right side. Left is bigger than mine. So it's giving only 49 pixels. Oh, wait. Am I tripping here? What? Am I tripping? Because... Does this need... No, see, yeah, it's my width. Oh, yeah. Is the offset number greater than or equal to my width? Because it's on my right side, but how far on my right side is it? Does it need to be the item width? No. Oh. I'm tripping balls here. So if the item is below me, how far is it? If the item is to the right of me, it needs to be past me. Am I past it? Okay. No, I get why I'm doing what I'm doing. But it's not making any sense why it's that wrong. Because the width of the item... Oh, well, I don't care about the width of the item. I should be actually looking at my width. Yeah, in this case, I need to look at my width. Let's see what that number is, and then we'll see how close we are. Yeah, let's check on that. Because maybe I do need some buffer for the left and right. It's possible. 90. So it's saying it's only 42 away from my left. The left of that, of the item, is only 42 pixels away from my item. Which don't make no sense. So let's actually double check that when I do this. Because the left position is 2181. And my position is roughly 1736 plus 400. 1736 plus 400 equals 2136. Which is my center point. No, it's not my center. Yeah, it is the center point. Oh, maybe I need to subtract. Okay. Here's what I'm going to do. We actually, we can't be my center point. That doesn't make sense. If we're going to do this right, we have to do another piece of math. Don't worry about it. To be completely accurate. And that would be minus, at least for the left, we need to subtract, because 450 is getting added to my left. So I'm subtracting 50, so it's back to 400. Plus my left position brings it to the center of my point. So I need to subtract an extra bit from me. So 50 plus map character image dot offset width divided by 2. Oh yeah, math baby. At least it's all like basic math. Not like calculus or something. Alright, we'll do the same thing over here. We'll do the whole thing actually. Yes. Yes. There we go. Okay, so now the left should be more accurate. That being said, oh no, I'm tripping balls. No, I'm not tripping balls. I mean, I'll leave the top and bottom right now alone, but I'm gonna have to do the same thing for top and bottom. But let's see if this works for the right position. Alright. Nope. What do we got? It's closer. 87 and 90. So 87 is the left offset. 90 is the width of me. Okay. So that's 3 pixels off. Do we need to give a little buffer, because there is a little overlap when you're walking into an item and grabbing it. So we might need to account for, you know, I mean, I think there's a 2 to 5 pixel overlap if I catch it right. So then in that case, let's reduce this to like 45 instead. And I swear this will work for every image. It's not just my character image. But definitely think I need a little buffer. I probably need a little buffer for the top and bottom too. But let's double check. Oh, whoops. I went the wrong way. 55. There we go. I'm minusing, I forgot. Math. The math ain't mathin'. Okay. Let's see what we got. Go. Buffer. There we go. Now we're dragging on the right. And you'll see he'll just continue being in the same right position as long as he's dragging an item. Much more logical. Fantastic. Let's go to the bottom. Alright. Up is working. Good, good, good. Okay, let's go to the left. Welp. Left doesn't like it. 71.90. 71. Wait. Why is left broken now? So if it's left, so it's actually left, then we need... Oh, do I need that buffer here too? No, see, I was trying to get to the center point. Oh, you know what? Yeah, let's do the proper math as well. So we need to do this on whether it's left or right. Well, no, because I think it's right now. It can tell if it's on the left or right now. We'll leave that for now. Okay. But yeah, so if it's left, it seems like the buffer might be opposite of what I need. Oh, maybe that's why. I need this to be 45 here, 55 over there. Because it's buffering on the other side. Correct. So I'm going the opposite way right now. So technically, my brain was kind of correct before. Yeah, there we go. So that's left. Good to go. We'll do up. Up looks good. Let's do right. And right's good. Alright, cool. So we have all the directions taken care of now. Let's go to another item and make sure it works for other items. Yep, got it. Left looks good. Let's go under... Oh, shit. Let's go underneath. Cool, cool, cool. Looks good. And let's go on the right. Perfect. Alright, I think we have the right buffering now. Only problem is, does bottom still work? Because I have to... Yeah, okay. I need to not allow you to drag items with your feet. So let's do that real quick. I'm leaving this right now, because top and bottom work fine. I mean, because top works fine. So let's just go ahead and quietly leave this logic alone for the rest of the duration of me programming this game. Okay, so we need to stop it from dragging down. We gotta do that. How do we do that? Well, I guess if it's down, because I do have a down check. Wait, did it work? Did down work? It's undefined. Alright. I mean, I don't want it to work. How about we just do this? If it's undefined, we don't drag. Fair? Let's see if we can do that. Yeah. I wonder if I can do that. Let's do this. If drag direction, return. Alright. So if it's nothing, don't do nothing. How about that? I might screw things up, because I think there's some classes and shit that I'm actually adding to the character. But we'll start with that. I'm not doing anything. It's throwing me through the game. Ow, 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 ow. Alright, so yeah, there is some logic I need to remove. If it's below me. But that means I need to do some shit. Oh, how about this? It's probably because of this, isn't it? Yeah, because I'm setting it. Yeah. So let's do this. That'll probably fix it. We'll zero it out. Alright, let me actually jump into Twitch real quick. The Twitchiverse. And let's make sure that we have the category set. I always forget to do that. And what do we got here? Okay. Let's try again. Let's walk on down. Grab it. Nope. Now nothing. Perfect. That's what we want. And we can drag this. Oh yeah, we're looking good, people. We are looking good. You can drag like this. And you can drag like this. Fantastic. Alright, I think we're good. Now all we need is the actual assets for me holding the item. The images. Which we already have fields for them. I just filled them with nothing. So I'm actually going to push this logic up to production. And I don't know. Maybe we'll fix the art right now. Alright. Push it up. Push it up. Push it real good. Yeah, we're not doing the database. Alright, see if we can finish this song while this code pushes. I fucked that up. Alright, production. I spelled it wrong. Go. Yeah, we're gonna have to add the images. I think I can get away with just uploading the I mean just
I guess I should talk to my boss before I leave for good.
yeah, I guess so. You fucking loser. Okay. Yeah, so let's actually let's jump into the production version. There we go. Should be pushed now. Alright. Let's go ahead and go to the Photoshop. We do not need you. We will leave this alone. Call that a day. Okay, thanks. Close you. Alright. Now let's jump on into Graham. That was not what I meant to do. I need his walking. No, down is the only one I don't need. Let's see what we got. Graham. There we go. Computers. Where's my Graham avatars? Do we have the PSDs? I don't think I saved them here. Alright, let's go find it. New avatars walking. What's the newest? That would be the newest I've got is Graham avatar facing right big. I don't think that's the walking though. Yeah, so we have the walking right here. Let's grab that one real quick. See if it's the right one. Yeah, that's the right one. Okay, so now we need to turn this into him holding the item. There's a light in the way. There we go. Alright, so how are we going to do that? We need to... I don't know if I can do this easily with what I have right here. Basically need to section off his midsection, steal his arms, and just have him do like a Frankenstein, you know, arms out position. I guess we can try that. So let's go to the first frame right here. Let's steal his arm from frame 1. Doop, 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 doop. Okay, so now we have an arm. Let's steal his arm from... Is that as far as it goes? Does it go out any farther over here? I don't think so. Alright, that's fine. We'll just go the height. That would be this. We'll grab you. Okay. Okay. That's not what I meant to do. That's what I meant to do. Okay. Now we have to go to each frame and delete his arm, basically. Let's do that. I think I can get away with removing this one pretty easily because I already have a line. This one I'm going to have to get a little creative on. Kind of just need to get rid of D-ish. I wonder if I can get rid of with a healing tool. We shall see how healing this tool is. Hey, that's not bad. I don't even think I had to select that. Alright, let's see what we can do here. Might need to fix it a tiddlywink bit. But that's probably good enough for the size that this image ends up being. Alright, next scene. Oh shit. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Go away, arm. Oh shit. That was much less helpful than the other one was. Getting too close to the edges. Probably why. Oh no, it's getting worse. Alright, well, it's not gonna work for all of them apparently. Okay. Let's start by just covering it up then. Let's switch over to the pencil tool. Do do do. Oh. It is not letting me draw. That. Oh, it is. There's just an arm on top of it. Ah. Whoops. Okay. So wait. This is what we need to draw on. Get rid of all the shadowing. Okay. That's probably good enough for this healing tool. Let's just go around the edges. Make sure it's blended. Your time. No one's going to miss you. It's fine, it's just the end. Yeah, that's good enough. I mean, those are very different. I might need to actually fill in this rando white spot. Oh, it switched to the brush tool. What the fuck? Can you not? What the fuck is going on? Why is it not? Okay, that was weird. Yeah, I just played that song. Okay, so bop, bop. That's fine. Bop. Not as fine. Good thing there's not like a million frames. Art, art, art is fun, fun, fun. Art, art, art is fun, fun, fun. Let's clean up this arm, arm, arm. Cool. Next. Just making sure the color match the section. Yeah, okay. That'll do. Let's clean up the edges. Not that great, but let's clean up this part. I don't get what's happening right here. Let's go back to the smaller edge. Yeah, there we go. Just want to kind of make it blend. Ah, fuck, this is gonna take forever. I should just animate a fucking new carrying position. Yeah, that's a lot of frames. Okay. I'm gonna try real quick not having to do this. Let's jump in the mid journey. Let's jump into my shit. Not create. I need explore? No. Edit? No. I guess it's, yeah, this is fine. And then let's add an image. Do that. Do. Starting image is going to be Grame static. Right. Ooh, it's gonna be really small though. I need a big Grame. We need the big Grame. Avatar big. I think it's the same shit that I'm already using over here though. Yeah. Okay. Whatever. Let's just use this. Nope, nope, nope. That's not what I meant to do. Go back. Create. Here we go. Starting frame. Walk to the right with arms out in front of him. We'll see. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But I gotta use my credits, so. Although I definitely have a lot of animations I need to fix. Or create. Hey, thanks, Mastermind. Appreciate it, my friend. Thanks for jumping in. Could always use a nice compliment. Alright, see what we got. No. See what I mean? Sometimes it's so bad. That's so bad. How about image? I wonder if we can do an image. Image prompt. Make arms. Hold arms up to the right. Maybe. I like how I gave it a question mark almost. Oh fuck. I forget. You can't just do that. Animating's different because it like takes the actual image and animates it. This one like takes very creative liberty. It looks like, you know what though? I might be able to take a frame where the arms are not out and just like cut that center point out. No, I don't think I can do it. Wait. I don't know. I don't think I can do it. Alright, fuck it. We're going back to Photoshop. So, I wonder if I can get away with just using it, just going above, just putting this on top. I wonder if this will work. I'll just try to do it on the close. Right. Okay. I wonder if that'll work. Oh, I need to get this out of the group. Why is it still not on top, though? Where is it? Here we go. Oh, it's over here, that's why. Whoops. No. I forgot how this works. There we go. So now I should just kind of have to match the movement a bit. Yeah. That might not work. I might just have to go back to the frame by frame shit. Alright. Let's get back to it, guys. Next. That's pretty annoying. Doot. Next frame. We got this. We fucking got this, guys. Don't even worry. He will be armless for a short period of time. Sure. At least this is really entertaining for people. Hey, feel free to jump on in and talk to me. This is very boring, so I can answer questions. I'm a website programmer by day. Used to work for Disney, Universal. I worked for Warner Brothers. I worked on Harry Potter sites. I worked on Carrie Underwood's site for Universal. I built DisneySyncLink.com for Disney. And I worked on a bunch of other Disney websites. And yeah, I mean, you've been working for billion-dollar corporations for years. I've made a lot of mistakes, made a lot of good choices. So hey, anybody trying to get into the industry of programming or website programming, WordPress development, I've got plenty of answers for you. Like, how do you get into the industry, you know? Ever wanted to know that? How do you build a resume to be successful in the industry? It's great questions. What programming language should I use? All great questions. And if any of you ask those questions, I will answer them for you. Because I have answers for all of those questions. How many piercings do you have? I have answers for those questions as well. This is so boring. I hate doing assets, man. I really wish I did not have to do this art. Ah, God damn it. I gotta start cutting this out too. Not brush. I need pencil. Yeah, okay. At least it's Friday though. That's good. I have a lot of shit to do this weekend. I got some new batteries for my wife's PS5 remotes. Because those fucking DualSense remotes, eventually the batteries just die. So I'm going to try to replace the batteries in them so that I don't have to spend another, whatever, 70 bucks getting new remotes. I mean, she already has new remotes. But the new, we got a black remote, and the new black remote actually ended up getting stick drift after like a month. I don't even know if it was a month, to be honest. Oh shit, I even noticed that this was starting to stick out. Ooh, that's not good. Can't exactly just remove this line, then it'll just be white. You know what? I give up. This is not going to work. I don't think this is going to work. It's just not going to look right. So we need to come up with a better solution. I wonder if I can get away with stealing. I don't know. Maybe we should give it another shot. Just fix our prompts. This is ridiculous. I might steal this. This is actually pretty good. Alright. So let's try this again. Let's do starting frame. Oh, shit. Let's do this again. And then let's try hold arms. How would you prompt? I don't even know how to fucking explain holding your arms out like this. Because if I say hold arms out to the right like you're, you know, holding a box or something, like you're lifting a box or carrying an item, it'll probably add an item. I'm guessing he'll like pick something random up. I can already tell this is not going to work. I mean, that arm looks pretty good on the right there. What the fuck is he doing? Alright, let's see the damage. Okay. So this one actually might have a usable frame in it where I can get both arms sort of like that. I'm gonna try to use this one. And see if we can just take his midsection at least. We'll give it a shot. Yeah, so let's get rid of all these frames. Get rid of these frames. Let's go. Actually, let's just start from scratch. And let's go ahead and grab this new one and see if we can, I don't know, use it somehow. Alright. I'm guessing this is the right size. Wait, what? Yeah, okay, this needs to be in another group. Thank you. This is why AI generated shit is sort of helpful sometimes, but does not give you what you need a lot of times. Okay, so let's see what we can do. So I think there was a frame where he kind of had both arms out. I think it's like that one. What is he doing? Like maybe that? Or like that. That might be good, maybe. So if we could use this as a starting point, maybe. Wish his arms were a little higher though. See, like that one, I want the arm there, and I want the other one higher as well. At the same time though. But he just does some weird fucking shit. Like I want that one out there. So like steal this. But then he moves his stupid fucking body. That one there, and then that one there. Like that. So this one needs to be on top. I need to remove all the excess shit. And then I need him to be the right size. Oh shit. Looks like I have him too big now. Yeah, something like that. Okay. Yeah, something like that. Yeah. I really need like the full bottom half too. So maybe I can take this whole thing. Just need to not grab his legs because those need to be walking under him. So like this whole thing would be useful. So like that. And then I need you. But I need to get rid of that. And I need this to take over that. Right. So now the issue is that he's too forward now. I guess I could just pull it back a little bit. Yeah, not the end of the world. Yeah, okay. And definitely. Oh yeah, I need to do this. Okay, something like that. So that would be him holding an item to the right. Fair? Fair. And now I know he's gonna like move around and shit, so. I can't get it perfect. But what I'm going to do now is I think I can get away with taking a screenshot of this, and then maybe I can get an animation of him walking like this. But getting him to not drop his arms is going to be hard because negative prompting is almost impossible. So, that being said, let's give it a shot. Let's do this. Let's zoom in and get as big as we can. Okay. Honestly, I might as well just use his whole fucking lower half. That way he's just standing there. I'll just take his stupid fucking head off. Get out of here, head. Oh, I gotta rasterize it. Hold, please. Thank you. Hey, he blinked. Okay. Let's fix the... No. What is wrong with this? Is it not the right size? Okay, there we go. He has a little bit of arm issues here. Okay, yeah, it's not gonna work. Fix that. I mean, it's not a huge deal, but I think that's fine now. Okay. So let me just export this really quick as a PNG. Grame, drag, static, big. And now let's see if we can get away with animating a walking with this. Walk with arms held out. Walk to the right with arms held out. Now, it's starting with the correct position. So I hope it doesn't go crazy and start adding a bunch of random shit. We shall see, though. Oh god, it's already ruining it. I hope there is at least one walking segment, though, where he keeps his arms out. Maybe I can say, like, just move legs. I don't know. I'm not holding hope for this one. Come on, you bitch. I wonder if I start it and end it with the same image. Like start. And then end. If he'll continue to walk. Walk to the right. Or we can just say walking animation. Only move legs. I don't know. Maybe not. Alright, here we go. What are you doing? Why are you holding another arm? Why? I just don't get why I can't just keep your fucking arms to yourself. This is hard. Is there anything I can salvage? No, because they're just constantly lifting and fucking dropping their arms. God damn it. There's nothing in here either, right? It's just crazy. You give him like the same image and it has to swing his fucking arms back and forth like a psycho. You piece of shit. Okay. Well, I guess I'm just gonna have to figure out how to do this using this. So first off, let's bop. Bop. We'll take this. Let's remove the background. Okay. And let's try to clip the legs off, I guess. Okay. And let's... Honestly, we need to be back here. So this is where the background's gone. I need to basically mask out the opposite. Wait, what? No. Oh, yeah, I need the head too. There you go. And now we have to go through each frame and make sure everything's aligned, which will be... It will look better than it did when I tried to remove the arms, but it will be fucking harder to do. So, frame 1 looks good. Frame 1. Okay, so we need some white. And we need to basically add what we can. Yeah. So we're going to have to do that. We're going to have to go back and forth between deleting from one and adding to the other. I think I can get away from whip. This is fine. Frame 1, this looks good. Frame 2. Oof, he's already lower. Which means this needs to go lower. Actually, this one looks... not good enough. I mean, not low enough. It's more like that. TBH. Okay, so that's actually better. So let's add a little more white. Nope. Whoops. I meant you. Alright. Alright. Okay. You have a midriff again. Next frame, he's down a little bit. So I'm gonna have to go down a little bit. Okay. So it's not animating the down, so I'm gonna have to actually do a fucking animation. Position. Next. Position. Alright, that's pretty good. Next. One more position. So, bop, 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 bop. Now we're gonna need a little more. No, a little less. Okay, a little less. Yeah, I'm not thinking this is gonna work very well. I've tried to do this in the past, where like I move the body with it, like the eyes, and I could not get it to work. It feels close, but whatever. Let's just try to clean it up. So I'm not gonna even move the body with it. I'm just gonna try to remove the pieces I need to remove. Maybe we can just keep the body straighter. Oh, here we go. Yeah, okay. Okay. Let's see what this looks like. I mean, it could be worse. Now, I mean, if I add a little bounce to the body, I think I might be able to get away with this. Because, I mean, when you're holding something, you are a little stiff. So you don't want to have too much bounce, I guess. But there definitely is some... I need to add some coverage right around in that area. So let's do that. Just so you don't see the hand coming out like that. Okay. So yeah, I'm not like super mad at that. But let's give it a little bounce. So let's go to the lowest point. So it goes up, so it goes down. Highest point is right here, so we'll go up. Let's try that. Uh-huh. Here. Guess we can go a little higher in this frame. Now the lowest frame is here. Alright, go. What is that little... Oh, I need to go back to where it started. That's why, yeah. So wait. We need to do this. Do that. Go back to here. Add a position. And then add that to the end. And then switch this back to the beginning. Okay. You know what? I don't know. I'm not even that mad at that. Let's export this as the size that I need it and see if it's a big deal. So we need it at what? Was it 103? And let's go here. Let's go to Grame avatar. And we'll call this Grame. Walking right, drag. Fantabulous. Alright, now I'm going to add it to his dragging images. So drag right. And we'll see what it looks like. Probably going to look pretty dumb. I mean, it's definitely not going to be overlapping the item. I don't really... The only way I could do that properly is if I like drag, like on drag, move the item closer to me, I think. But we'll see. We'll see what it looks like. Alright, let's go to Thyrus. And let's just jump into God mode and just try it out. Goodbye, everybody. I am ditching you. Okay. So we only have drag right. So let's see if we can make this work. Okay.
This is gonna take forever to get in order. Well, never a better time than now, I suppose.
I suppose. It looks like I'm pushing a shopping cart. But I'm not mad at the animation itself. It's actually fine. You know what I mean? Because it's so small. Like, you don't even see the nuance. And like I said, I like that it's static-er than the body. Because you're actually holding the item. I mean... If the item itself was, you know, like if I grab it down here, it still doesn't look that bad. So it's a pretty good position to have the arms. Alright, well, you know what this means. We have the left and right static and walking now, because I can just flip it. And we're good to go. And I can just create a static image based off of this as well. Cool. I'm not mad at it. Now, oh. Okay. That was impressive. I wonder how I did that. The only thing that we're going to need is an up drag. But cool. I can make all my images off of this now. Boom! I mean, all my animations, whatever. Alright, everybody. It's a little bit late. For me. So. I think I'm gonna head out. Hope you all have an amazing weekend. Hey, thanks Mastermind for jumping on earlier. John Payne. Always a pleasure to see new faces. And I hope anybody that's been watching and is wants to see the progress on this WordPress game engine or the RPG game itself, yeah, make sure you're subscribed, follow, jump on Twitch, jump on, you know, YouTube whenever you see, and come say hi to me, because I got plenty of things to talk about, and I would love to hear what you're working on. So, yeah, I hope everybody has an amazing weekend, and I'll be back next week to continue Escape to Orbem. I'll probably end up working on it this weekend, you know, off stream a little bit. I'll get these assets done so we can kind of move on to something else. So yes, everybody, have a great night. Happy Friday. And I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.